Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find shoes on Pandabuy. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to pandabuy.com and just proceed by signing in your account on Pandabuy. But before that, if you don't know Pandabuy, it is an international e-commerce platform that allows customers from around the world to purchase products from a Chinese suppliers, in which Pandabuy specializes in providing high-quality products at competitive prices across various categories, including electronics, clothing, home goods, and beauty products. And this platform connects customers with Chinese suppliers, providing a user-friendly interface for browsing, comparing prices, and placing orders. And now to find shoes on Pandabuy, the first method that you can use is by entering on the search bar of it. You can enter here the product links, name, shop, in order to find the shoes. So for example, I'm going to enter here Nike Air. And as you can see, based on the result, we have here two shops or website, which is 1688 and Taobao. And below here on Taobao, it will show you a variety of shoes that you could choose with the brand of Nike. And also you will see here a variety of prices. So for instance, I'm going to select or choose this one. So kind of click on it, in which upon clicking on it, we will be directed on this page. And just check these boxes and click this button right here. And at this page, you can simply choose the variation, sizes, and proceed to buy this kind of shoes. So that is just basically the first method on how you can find shoes on Pandabuy. The first method is by simply selecting the category in here that says shoes. And it will show you a variety of options such as menswear, women's wear. But since we're looking for shoes, just click the shoes. And it will also show you a variety of categories such as women's shoes and men's shoes. And as you can see, we have here a variety of shoes that you could also choose or select. So for instance, I'm looking for work shoes, so can I click on it, then you will be directed on this page, which is the website of 1688 and Taobao as well. And below are some of the results of work shoes that you could also purchase on 1688 or Taobao. And also if you're looking for cheap prices of shoes, you could also click this price option or sort option, in which you can sort the price of the shoes from the cheapest or expensive one. And aside from that, you could also choose some of the product on a different website or platform, which is this 1688. So for instance, I'm going to select this 1688 section, and below here you could also use the sorting option or filter in order to look for your specific preferences of the shoes that you're looking for. So that is basically the second method of how you can find shoes on Pandabuy, in which the third one, or the third method on finding, is by using reddit.com. So all you need to do is to sign in your Reddit account, and on the search bar of it, kindly enter or select this fashion reps, which is a community in Reddit in which some of the users upload the product that they purchase online. So once again, on search result, I'm going to enter here Nike brand. And below here, it will show you the result of some of the product that has been posted on this community, in which by simply clicking on a specific post, you will be directed in here, in which it will show you the photos with the link below here, in which by simply clicking the link, it will show us or be directed us on the website that they purchased this specific product. And you could also slide some of these photos in order to see the reviews or the quality of the products based on the image. And by clicking this link, we will be directed us in this Taobao.com, which is also one of the Chinese suppliers website, in which we could also find this in Pandabuy. And also aside from Nike brands, we could also find other kind of brand shoes. So for instance, I'm going to enter here the brand of New Balance. And as you can see below, it will show us the result of some of the posts by other users. And as you can see below here, it will show us some of the link of the platform that they purchased the specific product. And from here, you can simply directed to purchase this product in here. So that is basically the other way or method of how you can find shoes on Pandabuy. So basically, the first one is to simply enter on the search bar of Pandabuy the product link's name or shop link, while the second method is by simply clicking the shoes categories in here, and it will show us a variety of options of shoes that we can purchase. While the third one is using Reddit, and by simply searching one of their communities, which is this fashion reps. So that is basically how you can find shoes on Pandabuy. So if you think this video was helpful, kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.